Hello and welcome back to another sweet upload. Today we'll discuss the key points to creme anglaise and how to use this method to make butter pecan ice cream. Creme anglaise is not incredibly difficult to make. However, there are some important guidelines to follow to ensure the product's consistency is correct, as well as some safety measures that need to be followed. What exactly is creme anglaise? This thick dessert sauce falls under the category of stirred custard, meaning it's completely cooked on the stove rather than the oven. Custard can be defined as any liquid that is thickened through the coagulation of egg proteins. A few terms that you'll hear during the video that may be new to you are BTB, which simply means bring to boil, nappe, which is a French term meaning tablecloth. This term is used to describe how the thickened anglaise covers the back of a spoon or rubber spatula. Nappe is the consistency we'll be looking for in the prepared anglaise. And finally, tempering. This is the act of bringing together ingredients that are extremely different temperatures. The ingredients are slowly combined to bring the mixture to temperature. In the case of today's creme anglaise, tempering is done to avoid curdling of the egg yolks. Here's a look at today's recipe. You can also download a PDF copy from the link in the video description. It's a good idea to have a printed copy on hand to take any notes along the way. Doing so will help you gain understanding of this method and allow you to memorize its steps to maximize your efficiency. The procedure for this anglaise demonstration is as follows. Bring to boil heavy cream, milk, butter, and a small portion of the brown sugar. Whisk together the egg yolks with the remaining brown sugar. Temper the hot liquid into the egg mixture while whisking constantly. Return the mixture to the stove and heat to thicken while stirring constantly. Strain the hot mixture, wrap it chill in an ice bath, and refrigerate overnight. When working in the kitchen, good sanitation should always be practiced. Because of the highly perishable ingredients in creme anglaise, it is imperative to pay close attention to avoid any time and temperature abuse. Use only the freshest ingredients when making anglaise. And lastly, be aware of critical control points and how to control the product through proper heating and cooling measures. Let's have a look at today's ingredients and make some butter pecan ice cream. We have heavy cream and whole milk, unsalted butter, egg yolks, brown sugar, vanilla extract, and toasted chopped pecans. Our first step is to combine the butter with the milk and heavy cream along with a small amount of the brown sugar. Adding this small amount of sugar will help deter the dairy from scorching when heated. Place the pot on the stove with a medium to medium-high heat. If using a gas stove, be sure the flames do not go up the sides of the pot to prevent burning. Allow this mixture to come to a boil. Combine the brown sugar with the egg yolks and whisk thoroughly. It's important to whisk the ingredients immediately to prevent partial coagulation of egg yolks, leaving you with little bits of egg in the final product. You will sometimes hear this referred to as the sugar burning the eggs. Once the dairy has come to a boil, slowly temper the hot liquid into the egg yolk sugar mixture while constantly whisking. A slow temper is necessary to avoid coagulating the egg yolks. Don't try to rush the process. Patience and focus are necessary to attain a quality product. From here, return the mixture to the pot and heat on the stove over medium heat. Stirring and scraping constantly, heat the mixture to thicken to nappe consistency. This will be achieved at 180 degrees Fahrenheit or about 82 degrees Celsius. Periodically check the temperature of the mixture with either a probe or an infrared thermometer. When the temperature of the mixture is just about to reach 180 degrees Fahrenheit, it will thicken to nap consistency. It is now ready to remove from the heat. To prevent overcooking and curdling of the eggs, it's important to immediately strain the hot anglaise and rapid chill in an ice bath. The vanilla can now be added to the mixture. Stirring the anglaise occasionally will bring the temperature out of the danger zone very quickly. When completely cooled, the custard may be used as a sauce, or for our purposes today, will refrigerate overnight for churning the ice cream later. After the overnight refrigeration, you can see the anglaise has continued to thicken further. Stir the mixture well before placing it in the ice cream machine. Churn the anglaise according to the manufacturer's instructions for your particular machine. Churning times can differ greatly depending on your model. This particular machine will typically churn 1.5 quarts of ice cream in about 25 to 30 minutes. When you notice the ice cream is close to soft serve consistency, it's just about ready to add the toasted pecans. Add them to the ice cream and continue to churn thoroughly to distribute the pecans throughout. The ice cream is now ready to be enjoyed at soft serve consistency or placed in the freezer if a harder consistency is desired. And there you have it, the key points to making butter pecan ice cream using the Anglaise method. If you have any questions or you'd like to see a particular product tutorial, let me know in the comments section. And for more baking and pastry tutorials, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, everyone. Be well, be safe, and I'll see you again for another sweet upload.